this adventure? Oh my goodness, how high are we? Yes, we are. It's almost a whiteout.
April whiteout.
Holy. What if a huge truck comes? It's slippery though, right?
We're going to re-grip it now. You have some faith in the drivers. They've been driving this road for a long time.
Yeah, they have no tolerance for little red cars. Yeah. This is what happened just before we died.
Just before we died.
Mom. Dad. I told you I was going somewhere, but I'm kind of somewhere else now. I'm on the other side of the island. Complete opposite direction of where I said I was going.
We didn't even make it to the beach.
Saw the beach. Potholes. It's actually sticking now.
Yeah, it's getting a little scary now. Have a snowball light?
No. So this is me, because I've been really upset. I had to stop driving because I can't drive in the snow in this weather.
Oh my god, look at all the snow on the ground now.
We should stop? Why? And what, hang out? No. It's on the road now.
We're making tracks now.
Oh my god, we're gonna die.
Now we're making tracks.
Oh my god, I can't believe we're doing this.
Oh shit.
Oh, I'm getting them, they're mine.
Ball in the middle of April. Can I have my toque? Tokie, Tokie! Tokie!
You're on video.
Thank you. What is he doing?
It's snowing in April. Who lives here?
Who lives here?
We're gonna get hit by a semi.
Wouldn't have been a bad idea today.
Like 2 feet left and we don't make it.
So this is where it gets.
Oh Jesus, don't say that. Okay, no problem.
Oh yeah, nice driving. It's not snowing in April.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
I already did. Snowplow.
Down there.
Oh, you might want to put your blade down, buddy. That's pretty much useless. What are you doing over here?